All right. Roll it up.
It is odd.
Is that mine or your choice?
You got a 7. Fuck. You got a 7. I got a 5.
All right. I'll go second.
Yep.
Hmm. I'm gonna say it now. A little bit of a risky keep.
Ooh. Okay. Here's hoping it pays off. I'm gonna say right now, a little bit of a mid keep, but necessary. And I'm first.
Go.
I'll open it up with Vato. Draw one, trash one. I'm gonna pitch a Mustang. Go ahead.
Play King. Hellish Blizzard, top 4. Okay, just making sure I can add Hellish Blizzard.
Oh, yeah.
And then discard Genos. Go ahead.
Go. Push. And then play a couple of Hawkeyes and tell you to take a damage.
Get Silver Fang Raid.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's play Blizzard. Search top 4. Take Silver Fang.
Okay.
Discard. I guess just. Well, I'm gonna take something else actually. Take Genos.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna discard the Silver Fang Raid. And then. Do I want to take another damage? All hero. Saitama. And Genos 3-drop in the front. Go ahead.
Okay. Draw. Go to 3. Mustang. Give your Genos minus 1,000.
Okay, it's at 3.
Maze Hughes. State Alchemist. Restand 1. Hawkeye. Leave it in the back. Rearrange top 4. And then play Mustang in the front and pass. I'm actually going to play it in the back. Dang. That's tough. I'll play it in the front.
Okay.
I'm going to play it in the back. I'm going to try something. Oh, this Hawkeye does not get moved up, though. I should have done that, but that's okay. We'll just remove it over here.
I think it could have because you had to play the 2-drop Mustang.
Yeah, that's true. Glad to have not misplayed.
Oh, Blizzard and promote, draw 2. I will. Three-drop Genos. Hero. Saitama.
Yep.
Discard. Genos promote. We'll go double damage.
I'll block.
4.
Draw a card.
3.
Nothing.
10.
Raid. Don't mind if I do. Draw a card. My turn.
Yeah, let me get everything situated. Go ahead.
Okay. AP draw. That's actually unfortunate. I guess I can move Hawkeye though. And then Maze Hughes. And then actually, is it better to keep this Hawkeye back here? If I keep her back here, then when I raid this Mustang, I could potentially use the card I draw. Whereas if I do this, I have to play the Maze Hughes first. So I'm going to leave her back and raid first. And draw a card.
I'm sorry.
And then
What did you raid over?
The 4-drop.
So does she have double energy or something?
Who?
Okay.
I need another energy, don't I?
Yeah, to play Mustang.
Okay, hold on. This is scuffed.
No, you just have
Oh, the
Hawkeye
the Hawkeye was already there.
Yeah.
So I currently have 4 energy.
Yeah.
And I drew this. I drew that off the raid. Okay, so here's what I have to do. I have to play Maze Hughes first. I have to play State Alchemist. Agreed?
Sure.
Now
you
I'm
could have
allowed.
also just
Oh, I
promoted.
can move. I
Yeah.
can move the Hawkeye now.
Yeah.
Now that I see this, I can move the Hawkeye. Okay. So then I'm at State Alchemist, and I raid the Mustang. I draw a card. And now I can't fully pop off, but this is still good. I'll draw a card. Activate main on the Genos. That makes it a 3.
Yeah, did you? Yeah. Yep. 3.
So I'll swing with Mustang and kill it by trashing 2 cards. I have no hand, so that's impact.
Okay, then I'll just take it. Get.
Swing with Mustang, no hand.
Take it. Draw.
Swing with Hawkeye.
Yeah, 4. I'll block.
Go ahead. Too bad I didn't have enough cards to kill them both. But
Saitama's apartment. Take Saitama. It's unfortunate. But, can still go. King. Yeah, I should have just AP drew, so I should have done. But,
instead of the search?
No, with the search.
Oh.
Or just not promote this, but regardless, I had to play the second king, so. I guess the question is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna raid over this Genos. And then discard Blizzard to promote. And also I'll give this thing impact.
Sure.
Double damage impact 1.
Adding 2 cards to my hand.
4K impact.
Adding this card to my hand.
10K.
Blocking.
King. Go ahead.
Promote Maze Hughes. Play Mustang. Raid. Draw a card. Activate main on your Genos.
Okay.
Activate or -1,000 to your Genos. So it's a 2K.
Yep.
How much is the blizzard?
2.
The blizzard's a 2.
Yep.
Swing, kill Genos.
You still have a card in hand?
I do have 1 card in hand.
Okay, so I think I mean, does it really matter? No, I'll just block with this.
And actually,
maybe I should block with that, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna block with this, I guess.
yeah. I think I actually keep the Hawkeye over the Mustang, too, by the way. I don't know why, but that's just what I feel. I'll swing.
I'll block.
I will swing.
Get.
And I'll swing.
Special Mustang.
Yep, go ahead.
Alright, well, hate to say it, but GG's, man. Draw. Genos. Draw. Raid Genos. Discard Saitama to give impact. Discard Solar Fang to promote. And double damage impact 1.
GG.
GG. No, that was game 1.
Okay. Just a pretty long game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I might be able to cook with this. Maybe.
Yep.
I don't have a double energy source yet, but
Who needs one?
we can get there. What?
So who needs one?
Yep.
Play Genos, go ahead.
Only both of us if we want to play our most important cards, right?
I don't.
All right, let's start digging. Draw 1, trash 1. Hawkeye. Yeah. Go ahead.
Play Blizzard, top 4. Take. Does that have to be a character card? No. Take Saitama's apartment. Discard
Crazy.
Solar Fang Raid, yeah. And then Saitama's apartment, top 4.
Yeah, why not?
Take King. Go ahead.
Push. Swing.
Get.
Go ahead.
I'll promote Blizzard. Play Genos, top 5. Take Saitama, double energy. I will discard Silver Fang. Play double energy. Hero. double attack or double damage.
What's the BP on that blizzard?
2.
I'll block it.
2.
Special the blizzard.
Sure. Go ahead.
Gross. AP draw. Mustang. State Alchemist. Edward Elric. Activate. Hawkeye raid. -1,000 to Saitama.
Sure.
Activate main. -1,000 to Saitama.
Yep. 8k.
4K.
Hero.
Saying yeah, 8K is BM. Pass. Can that thing be removed, by the way, though?
What?
Like, can I pitch 9 cards and get that off the board?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Good to know.
Yeah, it's not like he can't be targeted by effects.
Yep.
It's just he's 10k. This one can't be targeted by effects, I don't think.
Well, hey. He's also in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, can I be removed from the field by your opponent's abilities?
Let's promote Genos. Play King. Wait, what? Where does it say that?
Says it right under damage 2. Above activate main.
Why is it below damage 2? That makes no sense. The order of it.
Great question.
All this character cannot be removed. Okay, that's what I thought. I mean,
that's what I thought too, but
okay. Anyway.
Yeah.
Promote Genos. Play Genos raid. Gain impact.
Yeah.
Play King. Discard King. Promote Saitama. I'll go double damage 10k.
Yep. Final Hawkeye.
4k impact.
Yep. Raid. Draw card.
10k.
Block. Block.
Yep. Your turn.
No king?
He was tapped.
Oh, okay. Word.
I'm at 5 life, by the way.
Great. Happy 40.
Well, I just didn't know if you knew.
Yeah, I know. Hawkeye, draw a card. Huh. Raid. Draw a card. Okay. Now we're cooking. Final. Get one back. Minus 1,000 to Genos Raid. Activate main. Minus 1,000 to Genos Raid.
Okay, is it 2?
So he's a 2. What's the other one?
25.
Let's actually put them on the other one.
Okay, so he's at 5.
Yeah, because I think I have to special the Genos.
Play active.
Sure. Swing.
You don't have to discard. You just kill it. Oh, that's
Okay.
why maybe I shouldn't play this. Yeah. Yeah, I always won't play that because then you can just
How much is it?
discard. It's 500.
I have to discard. Oh, it's 500?
Yeah, you minus 2.
Okay.
Raid Genos, no targets. Oh, I should have played it.
Swing.
Yeah. Saitama get.
I think you always play it anyway, right? Because I don't have impact. I'm not pitching my whole hand.
Yeah, but you gotta discard it. You can just discard a card to trash it. I mean.
Sure. It would have got a block though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fair. I guess you would have blocked and not raided anyway.
Exactly.
But now you have it in your hand to.
And I didn't want to
play it
block
out this turn.
so yeah, or use it to discard. 2 life.
Really sad that this raids had to be in the back the whole game.
Yeah. So. Ooh. Genos, impact, sorry, AP draw.
Yeah.
And then we'll do Saitama, gain impact, discard Silver Fang, promote, we'll go double damage impact.
Add to hand.
Oh, I thought that was a special. Impact.
GG.
GG.
No, I drew 3 specials that game.
Yeah, if you get an active or a special on that one, then I don't win that turn. But I did have King. I could restand my guy, at least.
GG's.
GG.